Get your accredited HACCP training with BC Employer Grants. Needing an accredited HACCP training? Have you heard about the BC Employer Training Grants? If you're looking to amp up your knowledge with accredited HACCP training, this is your golden chance. Did you know you could receive a whopping 80% reimbursement from this particular grants? Imagine gaining critical insights into hazard analysis and critical control points while keeping majority of money in your pocket. This fantastic opportunity is perfect for enhancing your food safety compliance without draining your budget. Don't miss out. Get on board, upgrade your skills, and make the food industry a safer place with the BC Employer Training Grants. PM me and I will send you the link. And if you need assistance applying for the grants, we can help connect you.